In today's video, we're going to see my first attempt at a side fan arc, or arc fan. Come on in and check it out. I am Dyeverse Designs, positive energy designs for positive energy people, aka living for the better good of all. It's who I am, it's what I do, day in, day out, my mission, my passion. So in today's video, we're going to take a long sleeve shirt and we're going to do an arc fan on this. If you need to see how to fold one of these for this, I have a video on that. Once you have your shirt laid out, after it's of course soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and wrung out till it's damp, I'm actually going to make my arc, I'm going to use this ruler that has a hole in the end. It's kind of cool. I picked it up in Walmart. And I'll just hold my pen on the end and it'll give me a rough edge to work with, to guide it around in a nice clean arc. As you can see, I had to switch hands there. Now that I have my arc, I'm going to do my fan folds, but I want to make my fan folds, the part of the fans that are out toward the right hand, toward the outside, I want to make a little higher because I want to keep the inside edge toward the bottom of your screen going toward the center, toward that armpit. I want to try to keep from going past there with that inside edge of each of the fan folds. Because I want to kind of make it look like this radiates out from a center point. I get my lines, I keep pulling upward, or actually downward on this video. I band things up to keep it nice and neat and tidy. One more little tidy up of all the little fan folds. And we put our sinew on it, or string. Now I'm going to try to get these sleeves to gradually get to a 45-degree angle. It's a little tough because they were pretty even. And this gradual change to a 45-degree angle will give me a cool effect too. Now when you put the rubber bands on the sleeves, because the folds are on slants, you have to put the rubber bands on slants. And I also did one more tie section on this because I want both sections to be dark. So I started with a peacock blue and then a turquoise, where each of the two string bands are, putting the dye on either side of the string itself. Then I went with palomino gold and little chartreuse in between the two layers of palomino gold, chartreuse on the other side of the peacock blue, palomino gold, golden brown, back to the turquoise, back to the chartreuse, back to the palomino gold, back to palomino gold toward the center, chartreuse, golden brown, peacock blue, chartreuse, palomino gold, golden brown. Then I put in some better blue-green, a little palomino gold, a little chartreuse, and I finished it off with a kingfisher blue. We put some ice on those puppies. We let them sit for a couple hours, see if they need to go and get done on the other side. If not, we leave them for about 12 to 24 hours. Wash them in hot water with Synthropol after they're thoroughly rinsed first. Then a dryer on permanent press and iron, and we will see our final result. And there it is. Not too bad for a first attempt. I wish I had gone a little more oblong, like all the way from the bottom to all the way to the top, kind of stretching that arc out a little bit so it wasn't so circular, like semicircular. But it's a learning lesson and it's neat. I do like that angle at the top if I were to do just kind of like a vest look where I just did fan folds straight up the center and then they separated like where the blue separates. So give it a try, have some fun. Let me know what you think. I am Dyeverse Designs, positive energy designs for positive energy people. And I can tell you that as somebody who is always living for the better good of all, nothing feels better to me than when I do something good for somebody else. I want to give you that good feeling right now. You're going to see a little green tie-dye t-shirt in a circle in between two videos. Please click that subscribe button for me. I put about 6 hours into editing one 6-minute video. Do something good for somebody else. You'll feel so good you did. I'll appreciate it so much. I don't want it for my vanity or my ego. I don't want it to become monetized. I just want it so that I can get elevated higher in the search rankings, so that this can be seen and so that what I'm doing that's good can be given to so many more people. So help me out. Click the subscribe button. Thank you again. I am living for the better good of all. I hope you are too.